Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee grounds. First, selecting the right beans is crucial for a delicious cup. Look for whole beans that are freshly roasted, as this significantly impacts the final taste. Next, we'll explore the different types of grinders available and how each can affect your coffee. Finally, we'll discuss how to achieve the perfect grind size for your preferred brewing method, ensuring a consistently great coffee experience every time. When choosing your beans, consider the roast level. Darker roasts tend to be more oily, which can affect your grinder over time. For grinding, a burr grinder is highly recommended over a blade grinder. Burr grinders crush beans uniformly, providing a consistent particle size essential for even extraction. While a quality burr grinder might be an initial investment, typically ranging from $100 to $200, it truly elevates your coffee experience. Achieving the correct grind size is key. For espresso, you'll want a very fine grind, almost like powdered sugar, to allow for quick, high-pressure extraction. Drip coffee makers typically use a medium grind, similar to regular sand. If you're using a French press, a coarse grind, resembling sea salt, is ideal to prevent sediment and overextraction. Always grind just before brewing for maximum freshness and flavor. Proper storage is vital to maintain the freshness of your coffee grounds. Always keep them in an airtight container, stored in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and moisture. For the best flavor, try to use your freshly ground coffee within 2 weeks. Grinding small batches as needed also helps preserve aroma and taste. Remember, a little effort in preparation goes a long way for a truly satisfying cup. Also, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.